Established in 2003, Ningbo Deye Domestic Electrical Appliance Technology Company Limited is a manufacturer located in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province, covering an area of 32,000 square meters workshops and warehouses, have over 430 employees, with 13 years solid experience. We are one of the professional manufacturer specialize in all kinds type of dehumidifiers, sales covering to over 100 countries and area. We can process customers' OEM and ODM orders completely in-house from injection mold, injection plastic parts, metal parts, heat exchangers, PC board and coating to finishing and packing. Our well-equipped facilities and strictly quality control throughout all stages of production enable our products with high quality to satisfy our customers. Most of our dehumidifiers are GS, CE, ETL, CETL approved to meet all Europe and North America safety requirements. We strictly follow the ISO 9001 quality control standard to pursue continuous self-improvement. We have introduced advanced technology and laboratory equipments to make high-quality product, guaranteeing with stable and timely supply, credible quality, and sincere customer service. We have gained a global sales network. We are growing into the leading supplier in dehumidifier industry. We warmly welcome you to visit and discuss OEM and ODM project with us. Sincerely look forward to establishing beneficial relationship with you.